did a tremendous job at this. They actually did a little trick that I haven't seen before, that they leave a little bit of the cloth material on the seat before they wrap it, just to get a tighter feel on the seat. And as you can see, no wrinkles whatsoever. Like I said, this looks as factory as it gets. I've had this set up for 2 months, I'll say, and they're holding up just fine. You know, like any other leather seat, you just wipe it off. Of course, maintain it properly. Use leather conditioner, leather cleaner. Don't wipe it off with a disinfectant wipe, because that can take off the conditioner from the leather. And if you want to keep it for a long time, I would strongly encourage you to treat the leather properly, and it would treat you right. I wanted to get leather seats from the factory. However, I wasn't able to, just because I ordered my truck during COVID, and that would have delayed the build by a couple of months, and I wasn't about to wait for that. So I went ahead and ordered the cloth, knowing that there were aftermarket solutions like this that look, in my opinion, better than factory. Like I said, you can customize it any way that you like, but I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, just so it looked factory. Some people go pretty crazy with the color combo. And yes, you can get seat covers that kind of match the look. However, it is not the same. I had some seat covers for a while, and that is the reason why my cloth seats were in good shape. The covers are never gonna look as good as this, just because since they go over the seat, they don't contour the bolsters of the seat as well as this. So they end up looking pretty rounded and fat. So to achieve this look, you have to get a full leather replacement. It is more work, it is more money, but it is totally worth it in my opinion.